Discover the world of gourmet ingredients. Hello, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of gourmet ingredients. If you've ever wondered what makes certain dishes so special or why some ingredients are considered superior, you're in the right place. We'll explore what gourmet means and introduce you to a variety of ingredients that can transform your cooking from ordinary to extraordinary. Let's get started. Gourmet ingredients are all about quality, rarity, and flavor. These are the products often used by chefs to create dishes with distinctive tastes and presentations. But what exactly makes an ingredient gourmet? It's not just about being expensive or exotic. It's also about how an ingredient is grown, sourced, and processed. Gourmet ingredients are typically characterized by their superior quality and unique flavors that are not found in standard grocery items. Let's take a closer look at some examples of gourmet ingredients. Truffles. These rare mushrooms are highly prized for their intense aroma and flavor. Found underground near the roots of certain trees, truffles are harvested using specially trained dogs or pigs. Saffron. Known as the world's most expensive spice, saffron is prized for its color, flavor, and aroma. It's labor-intensive to harvest, requiring thousands of flowers just to produce a single pound of saffron threads. Extra virgin olive oil. The highest quality of olive oil, known for its rich flavor and health benefits. It's made from pure, cold-pressed olives without the use of chemicals or high heat. Aged balsamic vinegar. True aged balsamic vinegar comes from Modena, Italy, and is aged in wooden barrels for years, sometimes decades, developing a complex, sweet, and tangy flavor. Incorporating gourmet ingredients into your cooking can elevate even the simplest dish. Here are some tips. Start small. A little goes a long way with powerful flavors like truffle or saffron. Use sparingly to enhance your dishes. Pair wisely. Consider the flavors of your main ingredients and choose gourmet additions that complement or contrast them beautifully. Quality over quantity. Since gourmet ingredients are often more expensive, focus on quality. A few high-quality touches can make a meal memorable. We hope this exploration of gourmet ingredients inspires you to experiment with your cooking and maybe even try something new. Remember, gourmet cooking is not just for professional chefs. It's accessible to anyone who appreciates good food and is curious about enhancing their culinary experiences. Thank you for joining us, and happy cooking!